Turvis red. Let's do yellow. Let's see, we do blue. That one came out easy. We have blue, yellow, and red. Now you want to put your cups in a circle. Blue, empty, yellow, empty, red, empty. We're going to use coffee liner to the napkin. Oh, the blue look cool. Oh, come here, there's some there. Next, we're gonna add water. Very swiftly. And making a rainbow does really. I wonder if it can fit one more.
You see? Oh.
Especially when you move it, it's more colorful.